gosh, guys, today in this video we're going to be looking at what a journey to the center of Earth's core would look like. This is going to be a crazy video. It's by Brightside. They make amazing videos. They're so good. Guys, go check out this video and go check out Brightside, and let's get right into it.
New Jersey? Well,
New
today
Jersey?
I'm setting off on a journey that's way more unusual than that.
Oh my gosh, what's
Down
the journey?
To the Earth's core.
We're going to the Earth's core?
And I'm
Oh
inviting
my
you to
gosh,
join
wait, I've
me.
never been
Are you
there.
ready?
Have you guys been there?
Fun. Let's go.
Wait, are we digging down? Oh, we're digging down to the Earth's core. Okay.
4,000 miles below its surface.
4,000 miles? Wait, that's a long
The
way.
layer I'm smashing through right
That
now
is so
the
far.
crust. It's something like the skin of an apple, except you can't
The
bite
skin
off a
of an
piece
apple?
when you compare it to the other layers that make up the Earth.
Oh my gosh, wait, is the Earth like an apple? Are we
Hey,
like
look at
biting
that
an
rabbit.
apple?
Those cuties dig tunnels
Oh,
up to 2
rabbit.
feet deep.
Oh, I love
so
rabbits.
I'm
Rabbits
not
are so
actually surprised to
cute.
meet it here.
Hi, rabbit.
Gross. Was that an earthworm?
Ew,
Of the deep
earthworm.
burrowing
That's
types,
okay. That's
also known as
disgusting.
nightcrawlers, get big and can live 10 feet below the
Nightcrawler?
surface.
That's
Moving
a
on.
scary name.
Did
I
you
don't
hear
like
that
a
beeping sound? That
nightcrawler.
must be one of those gold diggers.
Oh,
good
it's a metal detector.
still works at this depth.
Oh,
But you're
that's
not likely
interesting.
to find any
I
gold.
didn't even know
Maybe a
that.
large piece of metal, like a
Wait,
car or
gold?
something.
I want to find gold, guys. We can be
And
rich.
this must be the
We can all be
Moleman
rich together
Pearl.
if we find gold.
Seriously, there was a guy in London who was digging for 40 years under his house
40
and stopped at
years?
26 feet. What
Oh my
was he looking
goodness. What
Now,
in the
remember
world
how
was
I
that
said
guy
the
looking
crust
for?
wasn't
I
really
don't
that
even
thick?
know.
It's roughly 21 miles thick and made up of
21
basaltic
miles
rocks that
thick?
are
That's
under
a
the
long
sea
way.
and granitic rocks that make up the continents. So
Oh,
there's
wow, that's
oceanic
so
crust
cool.
and continental crust.
Oceanic crust? Guys, all this information we're just learning. It's so informative.
Oh, was that
Look at
a
us
crocodile?
digging. A
Nile
crocodile?
crocodiles dig the deepest burrows among all
Wait a
animals.
minute, I didn't know crocodiles
so you can find them
dig.
at 39 feet underground.
That's scary, guys. I don't want to get
Apparently,
eaten
not
by a
only crocodiles
crocodile.
feel the desire to hide from the rest of the world. There are
Oh
whole
my
underground
goodness.
cities with shelters and catacombs
Underground
in different
city?
countries.
Wait, what?
The
No
deepest of them lies
way.
at 278 feet under Cappadocia in Turkey.
Oh my gosh,
Its
that's
18
so
levels could
cool.
house
It's a literal
20,000
underground
people.
city.
How would they all get there?
Would you guys live
Today,
here?
they could just catch a train at the world's deepest metro station in Kiev, Ukraine.
Oh
lying
my
at 348 feet. While people
Wait,
have
guys, we
advanced
need to get on this
technologies these
train.
days to dig this deep, trees just naturally grow this way. In
Wait.
South Africa, there are species
Oh, that's
whose
actually really
roots reach up
cool.
to 400 feet below the surface.
400 feet? How
I'm
does a
currently
tree even
moving
get
through
that low in the
continental crust,
ground?
as you see, and two
Wow,
important
trees are
things
so
you
cool.
should know about it are that it's about
love
2
trees, guys.
billion years old, even
2
though the
billion
oldest
years
rock
old?
is 4 billion,
That is
and
so
it was found on
old.
the shore of Hudson Bay, Canada. And it covers about 40% of the Earth.
Oh my
the rest
gosh,
is oceanic
that's-
crust.
That's a lot of the Earth.
The granitic rocks that it's made of have more silicon, aluminum,
Silicone,
and even more oxygen in them
aluminum.
than basaltic rocks.
Oxygen?
Because they have
Oh, wait, we
access to
breathe
open air on
oxygen.
the surface. The crust is the source of all the metals and minerals humans have ever used.
Oh my
except for
gosh, how
diamonds,
cool is
which are
that,
much
guys?
cheaper. I think we'll
Oh,
spot them later.
diamonds. Wait,
Do
like
you have
Minecraft
pockets?
diamonds? I want diamonds, I want diamonds, I want diamonds, guys. I need diamonds. I want diamonds because
that?
they're literally so
People in the
valuable,
room
and I
here?
can make diamond
As crazy
armor.
as it sounds,
Or
in
I can make like a
2004,
diamond sword.
A half marathon was organized in the Boccia salt mine in Poland. It was
Wait,
the
what?
deepest
A
half
marathon in a
ever.
salt
You
mine?
don't often see people running
doesn't
at a
seem
depth
too
of
safe.
695 feet after all.
Oh, that's really low.
Boy, nothing can surprise me now that I've seen this, except for maybe bats. What are you guys
Bats?
doing here?
Why are there bats
1,000 brown
here?
bats spend every winter in a New York
Oh
zinc
my
mine.
gosh, no way, there's
How
bats
cozy.
down here. I guess that's pretty cozy. I mean, it's a little home.
It's getting cold.
We can't
This is
just
the deepest
infiltrate their
point you
little
can find
home.
permafrost, or permanently frozen soil layers at. Speaking
Frozen
of
soil?
frost,
How does
the Earth's
soil
crust
freeze?
serves
That
as
makes
an
no
electric
sense.
blanket that covers the mantle. It's rich in the radioactive elements uranium,
Wait, there's
thorium, and
radioactive
potassium,
elements
which
down
produce
here?
heat. Moving
Oh
on,
my,
this
guys, you
here
know what that
looks like a
reminds
good
me
hiding
of?
spot.
That reminds me of
The deepest
Godzilla,
cave in the
guys. Is
world
Godzilla, like,
Verofkina
is
Cave
Godzilla's
in
home
Georgia,
here?
the country, not the state, at about
Georgia?
1.4 miles below the ground.
Oh, that's so far. A whole
And that
mile
was a
down
train
below
line.
the ground?
How could a train
What?
possibly run this deep? It
Wait,
couldn't
a
until
train is there?
2016, when the deepest and longest underground railway, Gotthard Base Tunnel was opened
Oh
in
my
Switzerland.
gosh! They really have a whole train going underground, and it's
Just when
really
you
far
think you couldn't
too.
possibly meet any other living beings down here, here comes the worm from the Tautona mine in South
The
Africa.
worm?
The deepest multicellular organism. Speaking
Oh,
of
that's so
mines,
cool.
the deepest among them is the Maponic Gold Mine at 2.5 miles.
What's the
also
Maponic
in
Gold
South Africa.
Mine?
Well,
Wow,
moving
they
through
really mined down
continental
a
crust,
long
the oceanic
way.
crust is never too far, and its average depth
We're in the
is
ocean,
4.3
guys.
miles. It covers around 60% of the surface of our planet.
Oh
and
my
is thinner,
goodness.
around 12 miles. Denser
like
and
most of
younger,
our planet.
It's no older than 180 million years than the continental
180
crust.
million years?
It's
That's so
constantly being
old.
born at mid-ocean ridges, and that's what makes
Wait,
the
there's a ship
continents
falling.
move.
Oh no, there's a ship sinking.
At 7 miles deep, you have your final chance to see the ocean on this trip. We've
Wait,
just
really?
reached the Mariana Trench, the
The
deepest
Mariana
point of the
Trench?
Pacific Ocean.
Oh, this is the scary part of the ocean.
Traveling through the crust was fun, but it had to end at some point. And here comes the border.
Wait,
where
what
they don't stamp
happened?
your passport.
Oh
the boundary
my
between the
gosh!
crust
It's
and the mantle.
lava. Now we're just digging through like literal lava,
It's
guys.
the largest section of the Earth, at
Oh my,
1,801
that's
miles
so
long.
much.
It's
It's
made up
really
of magma
burning.
rock and is heavy, making up 65%
It's actual
of the
fire
Earth's
rock.
mass. It stores many archaeological secrets and is made up
Archaeological
of 4
secret.
elements:
What are the secrets?
oxygen,
I want to
silicon,
know the secrets.
manganese, and
Guys,
iron.
I want to know the
Even
top
though it's
secret
basically a
secrets.
solid rock, the mantle is slowly and constantly moving.
It's moving. Wait,
What
that's
was that
cool. I didn't
blame?
know it was moving.
It must be the remnants of
Oh, are
diamonds
those
that were
diamonds?
formed here
Wait, there's
at
diamonds
93
in
miles
here.
deep
Oh,
a
that's so
billion
cool.
years
I
ago.
want the
Then,
diamonds.
as molten rock, they moved up to the surface.
Guys, I need those
The pressure
diamonds. Someone
is
give me the
getting more and
diamonds.
more extreme, and it's getting colder and colder down here. This
Really?
is the deepest point
I thought
where
it would get
earthquakes
hotter
are
and
born.
hotter.
The ones that come from here are rare and get pretty
Earthquakes?
weak by the time they've traveled
Oh
435
no,
miles
I don't like
up to the
earthquakes.
surface.
Those aren't good. They shake a lot. They're super shaky.
Another 30 miles down on this journey, and here comes the lower mantle. You can thank
What's
it
the
for
lower
any
mantle?
tectonic plate movements. Whew, why is it getting so hot?
It's getting
Wow,
like
that
super
was some
hot.
serious
Wait,
change of
what?
landscape. At 1,814 miles deep, the mantle ends and
That
the
is
outer
so far
core
down.
begins. It's a sunless
Literally
sea of super hot liquid
2,000
metal
miles
that's about the size
down?
of Mars. This sea has slow
The size of
moving
Mars?
currents
That's so
and magnetic
big.
and electrical fields that produce storms and cyclones. By the way, the
Cyclones?
Earth owes its magnetic field to the outer core. Without it, life on our planet would simply be impossible.
It'd be impossible. Oh
Once every
wow.
several
Okay, well I
thousand
guess
years,
thank you.
Something happens in
Thank
this
you to
layer.
the lower mantle.
The magnetic poles reverse, and north and south change places. It's not likely to happen
That's
again
really
soon, though.
cool. Guys, we're
At
learning a lot of stuff in this video.
2,750
This
miles,
is
the
very
inner core
informative.
welcomes you. It's the
the
hottest,
inner core.
innermost part of the
Oh my
planet.
gosh, guys,
It's
we're
a
at the
super
inner
dense solid
core.
ball made of 80% iron and 20% nickel that
Nickel?
heats up to 10,800
Oh, like a
degrees
5-cent
Fahrenheit.
nickel.
That's pretty much the same
Oh
as
my
the
god,
surface of the sun.
10,800
The inner
degrees
core is nearly the
Fahrenheit.
size of the moon.
That is so
It makes up
freaking
2%
hot,
of
guys.
the
I
Earth's
can't even
mass.
explain how hot that
If you
is.
took all the water in all the oceans and multiplied it by 5,
By
this would be roughly the
5?
same as the volume of the inner core. It remains
That's
solid
so
thanks to
crazy.
super high pressure, which is 1,000,000 times greater than the pressure on the surface of the planet.
A
Because
million
none
times
has been this
greater?
deep, except for us right now. Duh. Scientists
Oh,
have a lot
wait.
of research to do in this
I
area.
think we should go
Some of them
deeper,
believe
guys. We
small
should go that
crystals of
deep.
iron are born in
Let's
the
go
outer
live down
parts
there.
of
We
the
should
core
build like
that merge
we
into
should build a bunch
giant
of
crystals
houses
the
down
size
there
of a city closer
and a
to
bunch
the center.
of like
That's why
neighborhoods.
the inner core is also called the crystal core.
The crystal core.
Not so
Wait, are
long
there
ago,
crazy
British
crystals down
scientists
there?
found out that the inner core is relatively young, probably somewhere
It's
between
young. Wait,
500
really?
and 1,000 million years old. And
I don't
that's
know if I would
nothing
say
in
that's
terms of Earth
young.
science.
I don't know about
It's
young,
hard to
guys.
tell
That sounds pretty
exactly
old to
where the
me.
center of the Earth is, but it looks like I can put my flag down here at 3,958 miles.
Oh my goodness,
Now,
that is
that
so
was
far
quite a
down,
journey.
guys.
Now, for those of you who are thinking of packing your bags to go see the Earth's core, I have some
Let's go,
not so
guys.
good news. It's
think we
technically
should
not
go.
possible yet, because
Oh,
there's
it's
no
not?
way to
Wait, why
survive
not?
the pressure and extreme heat that are waiting down there.
Oh no! Let's find a way, guys. Let's go all the way down
if
there.
someone built a tunnel that would provide all the necessary protection, it would only take 18 minutes of free falling to get there.
18 minutes of free falling?
Hey, sign me up.
Oh my